All right, cool. So I've plugged it in to the socket, and let's see if it switches on. Ah, nice. Easy. And that's how you save money. I'll put some pricing or the pricing quotations on the screen, and then yeah, you can save yourself some money. Okay. Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I don't really make this kind of content, but I had an electric surge and it fucked up almost 4 of my house appliances, and this is what it looks like if I bring it up close. So if you can see, it got burnt over here, and then there's some browning in here as a sign that it was burnt, right? I tried to get some electricians to come through and quote me for this, and the call out fee was $350, and then labor was $650, right? And then on top of that, they would still charge me for the item. So I did anything that someone who is broke would do. I went and got a new one right here. I've already plugged it in, unfortunately, but it's essentially the same replacement. If I can adjust the camera a bit. Right, cool. So I've already plugged it in. I'll try show how I unplugged it, and then yeah, hopefully you can save some money doing this yourself. And yeah, wish me luck. Cool. All right, cool. So I've plugged it in to the socket, and let's see if it switches on. Ah, nice. Easy. And that's how you save money. I'll put some pricing or the pricing quotations on the screen, and then yeah, you can save yourself some money. Part, right, which can be dismantled by removing 2 bolts on this side and the other side, and then there's 2 at the back. So that's what I'm gonna try align back, and it looks fine. And then these are my screws for the side. I'd noted them as such. So There we go. Just realign the screw. Don't tighten it just yet in case you need to move it around. And then same as this side. Okay, I'm gonna do the same for the ones at the back, which unfortunately I won't be able to show, but yeah. And that's pretty much it. We have successfully replaced a Defy's PC board that was bent or damaged due to an electric surge, and hopefully you saved some money. So yeah.